KNZ SoundFlux, and it's also not a good idea to look into the camera while cutting with a sharp knife. Dual drivers, true stereo, waterproof, be cool when it's not just designed for robots. Wow, they're extremely huge. Sadly, micro USB. Here we go, and welcome to the Idea of Technology. My name is Michael, and today I got something in the box, a little package. We do a review, or no, that was wrong. We don't do a review, we do an unboxing. And I just want to show you something really special. So I got this funny rig here. I just figured out how to show you the best, because at the moment you just can't see nothing, just me and no package. So I just built this, show to you. That's my iPhone camera. A little bit more of lighting and this funny Gorilla Pod here. So I hope, the hope is that this will work to show you everything. So just get it in place again, something like this. So turn on the lighting. Here we go. So just to understand the setup, what I got here is just another true wireless earphone, you could say, also from Indiegogo. And at the moment I'm just trying to get some interesting products from Indiegogo and Kickstarter just to show you here on my tech channel, to do unboxings, reviews, etc. pp. So I just started with the Palmer Scroll. You will also get a review about my Air by Crazy Baby, which was also from Indiegogo, which is just nearly 2 years ago. So just some sort of long-term review, and you will get an unboxing of the KNZ SoundFlux. And I was pretty impressed about the speed they got on their delivery. So I was really impressed that I got this package today. And what we got here, and what was pretty interesting was in the box there was just this loose additional ear tips, just 3 sets, and also just 3 sets of sport ear tips. So these were just adapters, you could say. These come additional to the box I got here in front of me, so that we're not able to get this into the box, which is pretty strange in my opinion. And these sport tips, you probably know, it's just this adapter you just put over the original earphones, so you just have more just a stiffer in your ear, something like this. So let's go and do an unboxing, shall we? I need to take a look a little bit, because it's not a good idea to make too many vibrations on the table, and it's also not a good idea to look into the camera while cutting with a sharp knife. So first, packaging this away. On the front, dual driver wireless headphones. So that was the main USP for this. They also have some pretty cool features, but I just want to focus mostly on the dual driver, so that's just pretty unique in my opinion. What we got on the back, dual drivers, true stereo, waterproof, full control, whatever that means, rechargeable case. I think every true wireless earphone comes with a rechargeable case, but Captain Obvious here. Sound pass mode, that's pretty cool. So it's just like here on my Plantronics headset, you can just activate some sort of pass through, so you have the chance to get the environmental noise or sound directly into your ears, so you just don't get crushed by a car or something like this. Ergonomic design, I hope so. It would be cool when it's not just designed for robots. Multiple preset equalizer. This is just a pretty tricky point, because I think equalizers can be pretty bad. but that's just my taste, so I think equalizers are just fit for everyone. The best part is you can just turn it off. Contents: SoundFlux headphones, charging case, 3 pairs of ear tips, that's just probably these ear tips, I think so. USB cable and USB manual. I was not able to find out which USB cable is integrated. Is it micro USB or is it USB Type-C? So we will find out together today. Open this up this way. KNZ. Oh cool, that's closing magnetically. I like this. Like those stand here. And we got our headphones. I think the packaging is just pretty nice, so I'm glad I make an unboxing about it, because I like the idea of packaging things like that. Got the earphones. Oh, my hand is really overexposed. Exposed. My hand is really overexposed sometimes. Sorry for that. But I can just put this a little bit down. Like this, better. Oh, they're really stiff. Whew, they're huge. They're really, really huge. If you just take a look at this. Perfect. Wow, they're extremely huge just due to these 2 drivers. I hope they will fit. So they come with another ear tip. I think that's the medium size, and well, were the others here. And I got enough. I like the green, so I like the little accent. Make it a little. I thought this was metal, but it's just plastic and it's just really light. Hope they included every part. On this side, like this. The packaging. Micro USB. Sadly, micro USB. I'm a little bit disappointed because I hope that they will come with USB Type-C, because just really it's the end of 2018. It should be just a standard for everything. But as I can feel, that's just metal on the outside of the box, which is just pretty nice. Got this pretty clicky button here, and yeah, it feels kind of durable, kind of good. The bottom CE and everything you need to put on. Perfectly designed in China, designed in USA, manufactured in China. This one here. And the accessory pack, whatever that means. I like the packaging. The packaging is just really good. I mean, I would just throw it away, but they just really think through the packaging. Accessory pack, whatever that means. Should be just toilet paper and really just more ear tips. Really? How many ears do I have? And they're probably the same size. I mean. Really? Come on. Now I have just enough for everything. Yeah, great. Here, ear tips. Toilet paper, can show you later. And micro USB A to micro USB Type-C, Type-C. I say it so often. Micro USB to micro... Last time. USB Type A to micro USB. That's right. Okay, that's it. Do we got something interesting here? How to pair, specifications, Bluetooth 5, wireless range, voice assistant. Interesting. Bluetooth profile supported, that's also important. Charging case. Okay, headphones, okay. How to use. Wow, that's a lot of features, and I will probably need to learn how to use this. multifunction button, microphone, LED indicator, charging case, and charging contact points, first driver, second driver, ear tip, power switch on case, LED indicator on case, charging port on the case. A lot of things on the case. Okay, not interesting. So what we got? Got this indicator, KNZ SoundFlux. Oh, did you hear that? The sound, the lovely sound. Okay. Oh, that feels good. That feels really good. Okay, this will be a fingerprint magnet probably. You will see my ring light in the, and the other light, and the light on the ceiling. This will be a magnet for fingerprints, absolutely. So when you take a look at this, this is just shiny piano painting. Do you say this in English? But it got a really good hinge. I like the hinge. Looks durable to me. I would not overdo it now. The port. So this is plastic. This is aluminum. And this rubber downside, yeah, it's not that rubbery, so it will slip around. This is just laser engraved, looks pretty good. And the two pins, just pretty standard, and super deep holes for the true wireless earphones, because they're just massive. I think they will go this way. I need to show you. So they're super deep, this and that way. So even though the hole is really deep and complicated produced and molded, the earphones will go in pretty easy in and out, so that's cool. I will be, so you can see the drivers. I like the way that you can see through the outside of a product and can see the insides. Like there was some iMac, I think, the one iMac, or just the Game Boy. You can just watch through. I think that was just pretty cool. Anyway, so that feels kind of heavy. Okay, you can see through the plastic the charging. That's just pretty cool. You can see through this plastic here to see the two lights charging. I will charge this up later, and I will also put this on later. Yeah, I think put it that way somewhere. I think that's it. That's the whole unboxing of the KNZ True Wireless headphones. I hope you liked it, and if you disliked, you know what to do, but if you liked it, just hit like down there, get subscribed, and enable the notifications with the bell icon so you won't miss any future video. And I just want to say thank you for watching this video. Just leave something in the comments about, do you like this sort of earphones? Should I make a complete review about it or just a really short one? Just let me know. I'm really interested into your opinion. And I just want to say thank you, have a great day, bye.